Did you know there's a legal safeguard in India that ensures dependents are never left out without support? Section 125 of the CrPC has been the go-to provision for maintenance claims, and now with the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita or BNSS stepping in, things are changing. But how exactly? Stay tuned as we break this down for you in simple terms. Let's start with a question. What happens when someone who's financially dependent is abandoned or neglected? Whether it's a wife, a child, or aging parents, Section 125 of the CrPC steps in to provide a legal remedy. The law ensures that no one is left destitute due to neglect. However, with the introduction of BNSS, which has replaced the CrPC, there are key updates to make this law more effective and inclusive. In today's video, we'll discuss first, who can claim maintenance, 2. How the amount is decided, 3. BNSS impact on maintenance provisions, 4. What can you do if your rights are violated, and finally, recent updates and landmark judgments. So, let's dive right in. First, who can claim maintenance? Section 125 CrPC, retained under BNSS, provides a financial remedy for dependents. Let's see who's eligible. First, wives. A wife deserted or neglected by a husband can claim maintenance. This includes divorced women as long as they haven't remarried. 2. Children. Both legitimate and illegitimate minor children are entitled for maintenance. For adult children, claims apply if they are physically or mentally unable to support themselves. 3. Parents. Parents who cannot earn a livelihood can claim maintenance from their children. In the case Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Shah Bano Begum, the Supreme Court ruled that even divorced Muslim women can claim maintenance under Section 125, ensuring no one is left vulnerable due to personal loss. 2. How is the maintenance amount decided? When deciding the maintenance amount, courts consider first, earnings of the respondent, the income of the person liable to pay maintenance. 2. Living standard, the standard of living enjoyed during the relationship. 3. Claimant's needs, expenses like housing, food, healthcare and education. The Supreme Court in Rajnesh versus Neha mandated both parties to submit affidavits of income, assets and liabilities, ensuring transparency in maintenance cases. Now, let's talk about the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita or BNSS. This proposed law replaces the Criminal Procedure Code, including Section 125, with a focus on modernization. Key changes include, first, gender-neutral language. BNSS aims to make terminology more inclusive, accommodating evolving societal norms. 2. Stricter enforcement. Courts can impose heavier penalties for non-compliance and ensure faster recovery of maintenance dues. 3. Simplified process. Reduced procedural delays means dependents get quicker relief. Here's an interesting fact. The government has proposed attaching property for faster enforcement of maintenance orders under the BNSS, preventing delays caused by uncooperative respondents. If you are entitled to maintenance but not receiving it, here is what you can do. First, file a petition. Approach the magistrate's court with a proof of neglect and documents like marriage certificates or financial statements. 2. Seek legal help. Consult a lawyer to prepare a strong case. 3. Request interim maintenance. Courts can order immediate support even before the case concludes. 4. Enforcement options. If the respondent refuses to pay, courts can issue a recovery warrant, attach assets, or even impose imprisonment. Recent judgments have reinforced the importance of maintenance laws. First, in a 2023 Delhi High Court ruling, the court emphasized that maintenance must be decided within 6 months to prevent undue hardships to the claimant. 2. Courts have also extended maintenance rights to women in long-term relationships, providing certain conditions are met. Here's a commentary from Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, where he mentioned maintenance provisions are not mere legal obligations. They are instruments to uphold the fundamental right to live with dignity. Let's recap what we have discussed today. First, Section 125 CrPC provides maintenance rights to wives, children, and parents. 2. Maintenance amounts depends on earnings, needs, and living standards. 3. BNSS introduces general neutral language and stricter enforcement mechanisms. 4. If denied maintenance, you can approach the court for swift legal remedies. 5. Recent updates and judgments have strengthened the maintenance framework. If this video has helped you understand the maintenance law better, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more legal insights and hit the bell icon for updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and we'll address them in future videos. Remember, knowledge of the law is the first step to empowerment. Stay informed and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.